For any teenager, and it's something that makes your kids start to feel more and more like an adult. We're talking about prom, but as a parent, you want to make sure that they don't make one bad decision that could ruin their lives and others. And so that's why we're talking about efforts to ensure a safe and sober prom night. We're joined by David Daggett of Daggett, Shuler Attorneys at Law, and Angelina Rice from Walkertown High School. She took the pledge and she won the t-shirt design contest to promote this. Good morning.
Good morning.
This is exciting. You got to show us the shirt. Love it.
Yep.
Love it.
In addition to her front, there's 15,000 of these in the initial printing. Her name is on the back of all 15,000 of them.
Oh my word, that's awesome. What did you think when they came and said, hey, this is you've won?
It was crazy. I wasn't expecting myself to win, but I'm very glad.
Why is this pledge important to you as a high school senior, you and your friends?
It makes a positive impact in our community for us to do the right thing, not just on prom night, but just in general.
And you've been doing this for 29 years, going from high school to high school, you know, encouraging these kids to do the right thing.
So yeah, we're in 50 high schools in 10 counties all across the Triad. It's the most exciting time of the year for me, and it's grown from just signing the pledge to a program of leadership, guidance, and direction for young people. And Angelina is such a great representative of the program. In the community support, we all need to collectively wrap our arms around our young people and love them and give them the right direction. And of course, Fox 8's part of that circle of support too.
Well, you know, it makes sense to have these kids sign a pledge, because once you sign a pledge, you're going to stick to it, aren't you?
Oh, yeah.
You have a point to prove.
Yes.
And it's made a difference in our high schools too, and the proms, don't you think?
Yeah, absolutely. In fact, it's hard to prove what didn't happen, although we do have stories of kids who've taken the pledge and then had positive outcomes, and they come back to me years later and say, this made a difference. It was a turning point.
Yeah, I mean, and you do it with such fanfare. You know, you bring everything to the school. This is you giving Angelina her award there for her design.
With the mayor,
Yes,
the police chief, the chair of the county commissioners.
That's awesome. That is awesome. But you give the kids these t-shirts, you know, you give them the incentive to do the right thing.
And that's the theme, do the right thing. We create an atmosphere of positive peer pressure. We hear about negative peer pressure. Positive peer pressure is just as powerful. And it's exciting to see the young students buy into it and do it with enthusiasm.
And you know, the superhero theme that so many kids are into right now is even on the pledge this year, the pledge card.
We had Deadpool and Spider-Man show up when we surprised Angelina in her classroom.
That is so awesome. So if folks want to take the pledge, if parents want to talk to their kids about this, they can go online and learn more about it?
Sure, safesober.com. Is a website. There's a pledge card there. They're welcome to come by our office and get a t-shirt, and we'll be at a high school near you soon. We're in 3 high schools today.
All right, there you go. Safesober.com right there to get involved. And you know what, kids? Have a great time, and you can do it without drugs.
Thank you.